What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a review on some GrimmSpeed Radiator hoses. Got them for my 2006 WRX. I think they work for 2002 to 2007 and I'm not sure for the later models, but we'll go ahead and see what the quality looks like and unwrap them. Putting them on a Mishimoto radiator. It's the X line. I will do a little review of that also. Alright, so here we got the GrimmSpeed coolant pipes. I got them in black. I don't really care about color. I don't want it to have a bunch of different colors, and I feel like red is pretty common among Subarus, so I just went with black to have a more stock look. Alright, so already you can see they're pretty good quality. They're lined pretty well. Feel pretty sturdy, like they're not going to collapse. Made out of pretty solid material. So we'll see how it mounts up. Worm clips, you could see on them that they have extra material here so the worm clip part doesn't cut into the hosing like regular worm clips do. So you could see it already fits over and it's being covered. So that should be good. Won't get any of those lines or cuts into your new hose. So yeah, the next thing will be test fitting it on the radiator and seeing how it fits and installing it in the car. Alright, the second part I got here are the GrimmSpeed turbo gaskets. This one's for the downpipe, this one's for the uppipe. I'm going to open one of them up. They're both basically the same. I already feel a lot better than stock. They're pretty thick, as you can see. This is the old crusty gasket. As you can see, it's quite a bit thicker than the stock one, so that should be good. Maybe provide a little bit more sealant. Looks really good compared. As you can see, it looks like a lot better quality. So once we do the turbo install, we'll throw these guys on.